Hi guys, so this is part 3 of posting your best pictures on Facebook, and this concerns how to upload to Facebook. So part 1 covered capturing your pictures in the best format, and then part 2 was how to save your edits in the best format, and the third component for having the best quality picture posted on Facebook is to upload it from within Facebook. So I'm going to show you first how to not do it, because that's very important, because it can be very confusing when I say upload from within Facebook or not from within your app. So what you do not want to do is go to your camera roll, which is my Photos app, third from the top, and then select your picture. And you see on the bottom left corner your share icon right here. You have an option to press Facebook and then to type your post, ABC I typed, and then on the right, which I'm not going to tap on, but you would tap post. You don't want to do that. As per my test, this actually compresses the picture more than if you upload from Facebook, so don't do that. Another way you don't want to upload your picture is to do it from your editing app. So let's say this is my picture. I'm in Unlight, but that is true of most editing apps that you can upload to Facebook from there. So here I would press my third from the top, third from the left, and then it says share photos. I can save my photo, or I can share it to Instagram, message, mail, Facebook, Twitter. I would click on Facebook, and then same thing. I can type whatever I want, and Light puts a nifty little tag here to advertise themselves. You can press on that little X there and remove that tag, and then you would press on the upper right corner post. Again, this will compress your photo. It will not be of a good quality. It's a question of communication between the apps and Facebook. You don't want to do that. What you do want to do is to save your photos into your camera roll. So your originals are directly in your camera roll, in your Photos app. And when you are editing, you save to your camera roll. So you just say save photo, and that will appear in your Photos app. So you know that your pictures are in your camera roll now. So the way to upload your photos to Facebook in the best quality possible is to do it from within Facebook. And what I mean by that is you go to Facebook. So here I am, and you go into our group. The way you do that is the menu at the bottom, the right icon, the 3 lines. You click on that, and here you have basically a snapshot of everything that concerns you. You have your profile is the first line, then you have shortcuts, which is the groups you belong to, and then you have all kinds of really interesting other stuff, your saved links and all kinds of other stuff. So you're going to click here on iPhoto Critique, which is our group. So I click here, and that brings me directly to my page. And you see that below the top part, which is our logo, and then all kinds of stuff that you can do, you have the picture that is your profile picture, and it says write something. You're going to click here, and now you can write your post. So what I usually do is I go to my notes, copy my post format that is neatly saved there, paste it here, and then modify it to go with my new picture. And then above the keyboard, you can see it says add to your post. The first green icon is the icon to post videos or pictures. So you're going to click on that green icon, and the first option there is Photos Video, and that brings you directly to your camera roll. And here you can choose the picture you want to post, and then click on the upper right and say done. And then click here on the right and say post, and that's going to post directly into our group. Now, sometimes you have so many pictures in your camera roll that you don't know which is your original and which is your edited version, or maybe you have multiple edits. So let me show you a nice little trick. So what I do is that my favorites, see, I have camera roll, and then right to its right I have favorites. I save my originals and my edited version, and since in photos it saves in order. I know, for example, if you look at the 1, 2, 3, 4th line, I know that the first one is my original, and then the next one is my edited version. If you have other favorites in there and that gets confusing, that's not a problem. Another nice option is, here's your camera roll, and you see on the upper right corner you have this little button that says select. You can select it, the picture that you want. So I'm going to select the last one here. And then you see at the bottom, you can either share it with the icon on the left or discard it with the icon on the right, or in the middle it says add to. So just add it to an album. So you can add it to an album you already made or to a new album that will say originals. Save. Oh, and I made a spelling error. So now when I look at my albums, you can see my first is camera, my second is favorite, then I have all the stuff that Apple Photos makes, people, places, videos, selfies, whatever. And then my albums, with a typo, you have originals. And you can repeat this procedure to do another album that's called edits. And that will allow you, when you're in Facebook, to retrieve your photos faster. So how do you do that? Okay, again, I'm on Facebook and I'm within our group. I'm going to tap write something, write my post, then click on add to your post, the little green icon for photos, choose photo video, and you see at the top of the screen there, it says camera roll. Tap here to change. So tap here, and now you have all your albums. So you don't have to go through your camera roll and all your pictures. You can scroll down to all of your albums, and you see here with my typo is my folder that's called original, and here are my pictures, and then you select that one and done. And this is how you upload within Facebook. You want to upload from within Facebook only from your camera roll.